I grew up in a place where the loudest sound in the evening was the cricket chirp. I grew up in a place where the brightest was the moon. We had no internet, we had no computers, just dreams. I remember wondering how websites and apps were built when we were on TV. Now imagine if the children in these same rural villages could code right from where they are, not in Lagos, not in London, but right under the mango tree in the front of their schoolyard. This is the vision we are talking about today. Good day, everyone. My name is Ola Moshifevo. I'm representing Group 8. And today we'll be talking about coding from the village, bridging the digital divide. In our modern world, technology is the foundation of communication, education, and economic growth. However, the benefits of technology are not equally distributed. Many rural communities still face the problem of digital divide, which means the access to those who have digital resources and those who do not. Coding from the village means creating opportunities for rural residents in small villages, turning small villages into hubs of innovation. What is the meaning of bridging the digital divide? This means ensuring everyone, regardless of their location, their geographical background, gets access to use digital tools or skills. Globally, about 2.6 billion people are caught offline, and this means they are offline from digital connectivity. They don't get to see the opportunity everybody gets to see on the internet. While internet penetration in urban areas is rising, over 61% of rural dwellers remain unconnected, according to data file 2023. The talent in rural areas remain hidden, not because the youth are less intelligent, but because they lack access. Yes, they lack access. Coding from the village is a vision to bring digital education to the masses, to equip youth, to equip children, to equip workers with the same tools that the counterparts in the cities enjoy. It means creating softwares where everybody can build up, solve real-life problems, and even compete globally from their remote villages. Imagine a child wanting to learn online, but their only option is a worse connection or no connection at all. Or imagine a small business owner who is trying to expand his or her business, but has no tools to do so. Yes, this is the reality we face from those living in the rural villages. The unequal access to the use of technology is rooted in social norms, yes, digital illiteracy, and the depth of digital infrastructure. The gap hammers education, it hammers employment, group communication, and even economic growth. Take Care in Africa also talks about the GSM 2021 survey. In Nigeria, mobile internet was used by 67% of urban men, 40% of urban women, 41% of rural men, and only 24% of rural women.
Of course, this gap represents the missing opportunity for education, economic growth, and social connection. Education and skills are equally concerning. Many individuals do not have the skills needed to navigate the internet effectively. Without education in digital skills, they are left behind in an increasingly digital world. In the realm of healthcare, the digital divide can mean the difference between life and death. Telemedicine offers critical healthcare services, yet many cannot access them due to the lack of internet. Important health information does not reach those who need it most. But there is hope. Believe me, there is hope. We can bridge this divide through targeted initiative. Invest in broadband infrastructure to ensure that every village has access to speed up internet. Promote digital literacy programs that empower our residents with the skills they need to thrive. Create community centers provide access to technology and training resources. By working together, government, NGOs, and the private sector, we can create a connected future for everyone. Bridging the digital divide is not just a technical challenge. It is a matter of justice and equity. We cannot afford to leave the entire population simply because of where they live. Talent is truly universal. but opportunity must be intentionally created together through leadership, education, and development. We can bridge the digital divide and light up the villages with the glow of innovation and progress. Ladies and gentlemen, the time to act is now. Let us invest in rural coding hubs. Let us support mobile boot camps. Let us empower schools with digital clubs. And most importantly, let us believe that brilliance is not defined by location. Because the next work programmer, the next tech entrepreneur, the next innovator could be sitting right now in a small classroom, in a rural village, wanting for that opportunity or waiting for that opportunity. So let us go from the village. Let us bridge the digital divide and let us build a future where no child is left behind the digital age. Thanks.